Welcome to my vlog. So today I'm going to be discussing with you places to visit in Kingston, Jamaica. Alright, so my name is Jodian and of course I live in Kingston, Jamaica. I'm from Kingston, Jamaica. So I can tell you. So you have been planning your trip and you don't want to go to like, alright, so the North Coast, like Negril, Ocho Rios, and Montego Bay, in those all-inclusive resorts are nice to visit. But there's also things to see, places to go in Kingston, Jamaica as well. Alright. So you're gonna book your accommodation in one of those hotels in Kingston. Alright. And when you first arrive, you're going to be tired. You're gonna be exhausted because traveling is nice, but it can be a bit tiring. So I would recommend you first visit one of the restaurants on the hotel's property. Then the next day now you're well rested and ready to go out and go sightseeing. Alright, so I would recommend that you book your spot at the Bob Marley Museum. Everybody knows our famous Jamaican singer, Bob Marley. Alright, so you can book your tour at the Bob Marley Museum. Alright, so you're gonna get hungry. So I know everybody knows about our famous Jamaican patty. There are several patty companies. However, I would recommend you go into Tasty's Patty. I believe that it is one of the most authentic Jamaican patty companies that has been about for a while now, and it is something that I enjoy alongside many other persons. Alright, so they offer cheese patty as well and chicken patty and a lot of other stuff. Alright, and let me also say I have no affiliation with these companies that I am mentioning in today's video. Alright, so after you visiting Tasties, I would recommend you go to Devon House and try their famous Devon House ice cream. I believe that it is one of the best in the world. Alright? So, and it's also like a park, it's an open area, so you can just chill, and there are other spots on the property that you can visit as well. Alright, so most of the day has already gone by. So the second place I would recommend that you visit. So I would recommend like for the next day, you can go to the beach. There's rivers. There are rivers in Kingston, like a couple minutes away. However, if you want to go to the beach, like beach. All right, so it would be probably like a 25 minutes drive outside of Kingston, and that would be in like St. Catherine, our famous beach called Elsha. All right, so they also offer seafood freshly catch right there on the beach side, which I know that you will enjoy. All right, so you can visit Elsha Beach on like your next day of visit. All right. After that, I would also recommend that you also can try out other restaurants in Kingston, Jamaica. Or in Jamaica, there is a famous restaurant called Gloria's. This is in Port Royal, but they're so good, right? Listen, that place is always crowded. they have expanded and they have another location at downtown Kingston by the waterfront. Great scenery, nice seafood as well. You can get Jamaican food, Jamaican cuisine right there as well. And also our famous track star runner Usain Bolt, he has his restaurant chain in Kingston, Jamaica called Tracks and Records. So they have a wide range of cuisine to offer, and the atmosphere is good, and who knows, when you're at the restaurant, who knows if you might be lucky to see Usain Bolt there as well. Yes, so those are a couple of things that you can do in Kingston, Jamaica. There are others, you know, like if you want to experience the music and so on, or you might have like somebody that you know here in Kingston, Jamaica, or you get like a tour guide, and ask them to recommend some places, like if you like the music and stuff, there are some parties that normally is held in Kingston, and some 90s parties, they get those authentic 90s dancehall music, 90s parties like Footloose, Mellow Vibes, and other events that, you'll be able to experience the Jamaican dancehall culture. Alright, so I hope you have think about it and decide to make that trip. Take that trip, take 5 days, take a week, come down, relax, experience the food, the culture, you know. And Jamaica is a nice place to be. So I hope you enjoy this. See you next time. Bye.